Howdy girl. Howdy. Who says howdy? Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Ind, and today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, a soft glam makeup. It has been a hot minute since I last filmed a video and I can't remember how to film an intro or actually film in general, so I'm back to basics. Also, do you like my background? I've moved my room around, still trying to move it around, not sure what I want to do with my room. I got a few videos that I'm going to film today, so without me rambling on, let's get some soft glam makeup going. Missing someone. So with my makeup, I won't lie, it's like non-existent since lockdown. I put a bit of concealer, a bit of bronzer, but today I'm going to be a bit extra. So yeah, I legit don't do my makeup anymore, like at all. So yeah, I'm gonna go with the flow. I literally cleaned some of my brushes. I failed, so yeah, we're gonna go with the flow. I'm gonna start off by prepping my lids. So I'm using the Fit Me concealer in 03 because I am pasty. And I'm going to use a beauty blender that would be damp, but we'll leave that. I'm now going to go into the P. Louise first ever palette. It looks like this. Nothing major. I am going for a soft glam, so tiny bit of I'm going into my flat fluffy brush into Tripped. I'm just putting this on the lid area because I literally live for a matte eye. I'm posting this all over my lid on one side of the brush. And on the other side of the brush, I go in with Charmed, which is a white shade, and just put that in the inner corner. Excuse me. Then go into that previous brush and just blend that shadow in. Just soften the edges. That's how I do my soft glam eye look. Just like that. Bit of mascara. This is the Primark one. Legit. So good. Just apply that to the lashes. Now it's time for foundation. This is literally the quickest. Foundation, I'm just using the Maybelline Super Stay 24 Hour in a True Ivory because, once again, I'm pasty. I basically put one pump and just focus it on the areas that I want it. I don't really want it everywhere. Like such, and then I go back into the Maybelline Super True Fit Me concealer and just brighten underneath my eye. I'm just going to go in with some Iconic London Illuminating Drops because I prefer it than normal highlighter at the moment. For bronzer, I'm just going into my Primark. Again, for lips, I go in with MAC Velvet Teddy and Morphe Chill Lip Liner. Kind of obsessed at the moment. And what I like to do is put a bit of blush. I don't know why I look really on my bronzer blush, and just blush that over. So this is my finished result. Super soft glammed makeup, and on this eye it wants to work, this eye never works, but like super elongated so it makes my eyes look bigger. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a massive thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, all down below. All my social medias will be linked down below as well. Yeah, and my mum's in the kitchen making a lot of noise.